Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
In order to create a logo for our store, go to Canva. Now you can use the free or premium version of Canva. I use the premium version of Canva because it makes it so easy for me. And go to Canva, click on Create Design, all right? And then after that, click on Custom Size. The size that I want to use for a logo is 300 pixels wide and 300 pixels in height. That's the kind of dimension I want to use. Then click Create New Design. Now, of course, if you want to create that design, you're going to have to come here and let's search on the element side of things about something about Naruto, right? So let's search for a Naruto design or Naruto logo that we can use commercially. So we can use this one right here. And also, I'm just going to make it smaller, right? And I have an idea. I'm going to go and find the Shuriken, right? Shuriken. It should be a graphic Shuriken, so maybe this one, or I think I like this one best. So I'm going to take this Shuriken over here, then put it over the top, then duplicate this one and put another one on the side, right? And basically all I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead, get some text, and this is the text I want to get, and I'm going to name it Ninja Store, right? So this is huge in size. I'm going to click on it and make it, for example, 20 in size, and I think that size is kind of good. And then let's just take these and rotate this one a little bit to 20 degrees and put it here on top of this. Take this one as well, rotate it to minus 20 degrees this time. All right, minus 20, and then put it a little bit on top. All right, so both of them are good. And basically we have our logo that's good to go. Now the only thing I think is we're gonna have to make it a little bit bigger and change the color of this. Instead of, we're gonna have to add a little bit of contrast to it to make it a little more red. Click this color over here, and instead of this color, I'm gonna have to go and choose the black color for the outline on the Ninja Store. And then right here, I can keep these ones as they are. And there we go. We have a logo for our store. Now let's click on download the logo. I'm going to download the logo with the transparent background. Now you can't do it with the free version of Canva. This is only available for the pro version of Canva. If you want a website that you can use to basically remove background for free, then I can highly recommend you to go and look for this website called Remove BG, right? It's not going to help you remove the background with as much quality or as great quality as Canva is going to do, but it still does the job, right? So go to remove.bg, and this website actually enables you to remove the background from your store for free. Now we have installed, or we have created the logo, so I'm going to name it Ninja Store Logo, right? And basically, I'm going to download that with a transparent background again. So right now that we have the logo, let's go ahead and add it on our store.
For more updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.